Izzatullah, who goes only by his first name, is an Afghan cancer patient who has been receiving chemotherapy for the past 2 years here in Northwest General Hospital in Peshawar, Pakistan. It's one of the main hospitals chosen by patients from Afghanistan. Izzatullah lives in Kabul and travels to Peshawar for his treatment, but this time it took longer for him to get here.
There were a lot of problems on the way. I waited for 4 days on the other side of the border in a clinic. Then I crossed the border at 10 in the morning, was in a border clinic this side of the border till 4 p.m., and then was officially granted entry into Pakistan.
Afghan cancer patients travel to Pakistan because Afghanistan lacks cancer treatment facilities. But it has become difficult for Afghan patients to enter since Pakistan closed its borders in March to patients without passports and Pakistani visas. Pakistan has been forcing undocumented Afghan refugees out of the country and implementing strict restrictions on cross-border movement. Officials in Pakistan claim that Afghan nationals have been involved in violence in the country.
We face a lot of problems. Sometimes we spend 5 days and sometimes 10 days on the way. We call on the government to find a way for us.
Acquiring Pakistani visas has become more difficult for Afghan passport holders.
They did not give us visas at the embassy. Eventually, we had to pay a lot of money on the black market. Every visa cost us $850. On the previous trips, we were 2 and it cost us $1,700. And now I have to apply again for the visas as I need to come back.
Doctors at Northwest General Hospital say that the number of patients coming from Afghanistan has decreased.
Cancer needs continuous treatment. We require them to visit us again after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month. Because of border closure, they can't complete the cycle of treatment. The gaps will make it difficult to control the disease.
Afghan patients say they have no option but to come here.
There are no cancer treatment centers in Afghanistan. There is no cancer hospital in Afghanistan.
Many of these Afghan patients say they will not be able to continue with their cancer treatment if Pakistan does not make it easier for them to cross the border. For Muska Safi in Peshawar, Pakistan, Bejan Hamdard, VOA News.